Tired of hustling for pennies? Build an income that pays you. Still hustling for every dollar? What if your income kept flowing even when you stopped working? If you're trading time for money, you don't own a business, you own a job. Side hustles and gig work might bring in quick cash, but they never create financial freedom. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. But what if your money didn't stop when you did? What if you had a system that paid you on repeat without constantly working? Here's how to build an income stream that actually works for you. Step 1, stop trading time for money. If you have to constantly work to earn, it's not real freedom. True wealth comes from systems that work even when you don't. The first step, shifting to digital income streams that don't require constant effort. Step 2, keep 100% of your profit. Most side hustles involve middlemen taking a cut, whether it's a platform fee, commissions, or a boss still calling the shots. I found a blueprint that allows you to resell high value products and keep 100% of your earnings. No monthly fees, no MLM, and no overhead. Step 3, set up a system that works for you. Imagine waking up and seeing money in your account from work you did yesterday, last week, or even last month. That's what happens when you stop grinding for every dollar and start building a business that works even when you're sleeping. I know what it's like to work endless hours thinking, if I just work harder, I'll make more. But at some point, you realize you're stuck. You're working harder, but never getting ahead. It's time to stop the cycle. Did you know that 44% of gig workers live paycheck to paycheck? The gig economy is great until you need time off or your income disappears overnight. The only way to escape, own something that pays you, not something that owns your time. Every day you wait, you're losing money. The people who succeed in the new economy aren't waiting for permission. They're taking action now. The ones who wait, they stay stuck in the hustle, never getting ahead. If you're tired of chasing every dollar, let's change that. Click below and learn how to build an income that pays you even when you're not working.